A 30-day transformation. Is it possible? Can you really change your life in just 1 month? The idea might seem daunting at first, but think about it. 30 days is a manageable chunk of time. It's long enough to see real progress, yet short enough to stay focused and motivated. Have you ever wished you could change your life? Have you ever felt stuck, yearning for something more? It's a feeling many of us know all too well. We get caught up in the daily grind, and before we know it, weeks, months, even years have passed without any significant change. But what if you could break free from that cycle? What if you could take control and steer your life in a new direction? Maybe you want to be healthier, happier, or more successful. It's a common dream. We all have aspirations that seem just out of reach. Whether it's losing weight, finding inner peace, or climbing the career ladder, these goals often feel like distant stars. But what if I told you that those stars are within your grasp? What if the key to reaching them lies in the small, consistent actions you take every day? What if I told you that you can start transforming your life in just 30 days? It's true. Small, consistent actions can lead to big changes. Imagine waking up each day with a clear purpose, knowing that every step you take is bringing you closer to your goals. It's not about making huge leaps overnight, it's about making steady progress one day at a time. You have the power within you to make real and lasting changes. The potential is already there, waiting to be unlocked. Think of it as a seed that's been planted inside you. With the right care and attention, that seed can grow into something beautiful and strong. All it needs is a little nurturing and a lot of determination. It all starts with a single step. That first step can be the hardest, but it's also the most important. It's the moment you decide to take action, to move forward despite the fear and uncertainty. It's the moment you choose to believe in yourself and your ability to change. The first step is believing in yourself and your ability to grow. Self-belief is the foundation of any transformation. Without it, even the best laid plans can falter. But with it, you can overcome obstacles and achieve things you never thought possible. It's about having faith in your own potential and trusting that you have what it takes to succeed. Change can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. The journey may be tough, but the results are worth it. Every step you take, every small victory you achieve, brings you closer to the life you want. And along the way, you'll discover strengths and abilities you never knew you had. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? The power to change is in your hands. It's a journey that requires commitment, perseverance, and a willingness to step out of your comfort zone. But the rewards are immense. Imagine looking back in 30 days and seeing how far you've come. Imagine the pride and satisfaction of knowing that you took control of your life and made it better. Let's embark on this journey together, one day at a time. Together we can achieve greatness. We'll support each other, celebrate our successes, and learn from our setbacks. Because transformation isn't just about reaching a destination, it's about the growth and learning that happens along the way. So are you ready to take that first step? Let's do this together. We've all been there, setting big goals with the best intentions, only to find ourselves stuck in old habits a few weeks later. Why does this happen? Often it's because we underestimate the importance of a clear plan and a positive mindset. Without a roadmap for success, it's easy to feel lost and overwhelmed. A well-defined plan provides direction and keeps you focused on your goals. Equally important is cultivating a positive mindset. Believe in yourself, embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, and celebrate your progress along the way. With the right plan and the right attitude, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Before you start your 30-day journey, it's crucial to define what you want to achieve. What does success look like to you? Is it about improving your fitness, learning a new skill, or breaking a bad habit? Whatever your aspirations, setting clear and specific goals is essential. Instead of vague goals like eat healthier, try something more concrete like eat 2 servings of fruits and vegetables every day. This clarity provides a roadmap for your actions and makes it easier to track your progress. Remember, goals should be challenging yet attainable, pushing you to grow while remaining within reach. Section 4. Building a routine, building a better you. One of the most effective ways to achieve your goals is by establishing a consistent daily routine. A well-structured routine can help you stay focused and motivated, ensuring that you make steady progress towards your aspirations. When you have a routine, you create a sense of order and predictability in your life, which can be incredibly comforting and empowering. It allows you to allocate your time and energy more efficiently, making sure that you are dedicating enough resources to the things that truly matter to you. Think of your routine as the foundation for your transformation. Just like a building needs a strong base, your daily habits form the groundwork for personal growth and success. Without a solid foundation, any structure is prone to collapse. Similarly, without a consistent routine, your efforts to improve yourself may falter. By establishing a routine, you create a stable environment where positive changes can take root and flourish. It provides structure and helps you incorporate new habits into your life. With a clear plan, you can manage your time more effectively and reduce stress. When you know what to expect each day, you can approach your tasks with a calm and focused mindset. This reduces the mental clutter and anxiety that often accompany a disorganized lifestyle. Additionally, a routine can help you identify and eliminate time-wasting activities, allowing you to concentrate on what truly matters. Start by identifying small changes you can make each day to move closer to your objectives. These incremental steps can lead to significant improvements over time. For example, if you want to improve your physical health, you might start by incorporating a short walk into your daily routine. Over time, you can gradually increase the duration and intensity of your exercise. The key is to start small and build momentum. Each small victory will boost your confidence and motivate you to keep going. If your goal is to exercise more, schedule 30 minutes of physical activity into your morning. This could be a jog, a yoga session, or any form of exercise that you enjoy. The important thing is to make it a non-negotiable part of your day. By doing so, you signal to yourself that your health is a priority. Over time, this commitment to regular exercise will yield numerous benefits, including increased energy levels, improved mood, and better overall health. If you want to be more productive, dedicate the first hour of your workday to focused work. Consistency is key. By prioritizing your most important tasks early, you set a positive tone for the rest of the day. This approach, often referred to as eating the frog, ensures that you tackle your most challenging tasks when your energy and focus are at their peak. As a result, you are more likely to complete these tasks efficiently and effectively, freeing up the rest of your day for other activities. By repeating these small actions daily, they become ingrained in your lifestyle, leading to significant results over time. Remember, the journey to a better you starts with the routines you build today. It's important to be patient and persistent. Change doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, you will start to see progress. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and use them as motivation to keep moving forward. Your routine is a powerful tool for personal growth, and by harnessing its potential, you can create a life that is fulfilling and aligned with your goals and values. Section 5. The power of positivity, fueling your journey. Your mindset is a powerful tool on your journey to self-improvement. A positive outlook can make all the difference in overcoming obstacles and staying motivated. It's easy to get caught up in negative self-talk, but challenge those thoughts. Replace self-doubt with affirmations. Remind yourself of your strengths and past successes. Instead of dwelling on setbacks, view them as learning experiences. Surround yourself with supportive people who uplift and inspire you. Remember, your thoughts influence your actions. Cultivating a positive mindset will fuel your determination and help you persevere through challenges. Section 6. Tracking progress, celebrating wins, big and small. As you embark on your 30-day transformation, it's crucial to track your progress and celebrate your achievements, no matter how minor they may seem. This journey is not just about reaching the end goal, but also about recognizing and appreciating the small steps you take along the way. Each day presents an opportunity to make progress, and acknowledging these moments can significantly boost your motivation and morale. This step is often overlooked, but it's incredibly motivating and can make a significant difference in your journey. Celebrating small wins helps to build a positive mindset, reinforcing the belief that you are capable of achieving your goals. It creates a cycle of positive reinforcement, where each small victory propels you forward, making the larger goals seem more attainable. Seeing how far you've come reinforces your commitment and provides a sense of accomplishment that fuels further progress. When you take the time to reflect on your journey, you can see the tangible results of your efforts. This reflection not only boosts your confidence, but also helps you to stay focused and committed to your goals. Choose a tracking method that works best for you, whether it's a journal, a spreadsheet, or a habit tracking app. The key is consistency. Consistently tracking your progress allows you to identify patterns, recognize what works, and make necessary adjustments. It provides a clear picture of your journey, helping you to stay organized and on track. Record your daily actions, note your successes, and identify areas for improvement. This will help you stay on track and make necessary adjustments. By keeping a detailed record, you can celebrate your achievements and learn from your experiences. This process of continuous improvement is essential for long-term success. Don't just focus on the end goal, the journey itself is just as important. Embrace the process and find joy in the daily actions that lead to your ultimate goal. Each step you take, no matter how small, is a part of your growth and development. By appreciating the journey, you can stay motivated and enjoy the experience. Celebrate the small victories along the way. These moments of joy and recognition are what keep you motivated. Whether it's completing a workout, sticking to a healthy meal plan, or simply taking time for self-care, each small win is a step in the right direction. Celebrating these moments helps to build a positive mindset and keeps you focused on your goals. Each step forward, no matter how small, is a testament to your dedication and brings you closer to your desired outcome. Remember, every little win counts. By acknowledging and celebrating your progress, you can stay motivated and committed to your journey. Each small victory is a building block towards your ultimate goal. And by appreciating these moments, you can create a positive and rewarding experience.